welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making an Asian salmon, and this is something that my aunt makes for almost every family gathering because everyone loves this dish. And I don't know her recipe, but I kind of went off with what I remember from tasting it, and I kind of put my own twist on it too. So it's going to be sweet and savory and salty and just hit every taste profile out there. So let's go and check out the ingredients. I preheated the oven to 350, and right now we're going to go ahead and do the base marinade for the salmon. So I have a bowl here, and I'm going to add in my soy sauce, water, and brown sugar. Give this a quick whisk. So prepare a baking sheet, and I'm gonna lay foil down over it. And then I'm going to lay the salmon down. And I'll brush this onto the salmon. Flip it over and do the same thing. Pull this foil up so that the sauce doesn't spill out, because we're just going to pour the rest of the sauce on the salmon. And this is where my aunt's recipe comes in. We're gonna be using Wasabi Mayo and Masago. Masago is fish eggs for those of you guys who aren't familiar with what it is. So if you guys don't like Wasabi Mayo, I've tried crushing potato chips and adding it on top, and it didn't taste that great. So what I think would be good is maybe mixing some cream cheese or the Laughing Cow cheese, 1-to-1 parts, and then adding some fried onions on top, I think would be good. And do not be shy with the sauce. And we're gonna sprinkle this Masago on top. So we'll go stick this in the oven. So that's gonna be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Normally when I make this, I buy the huge thing of salmon from Costco, a really big piece. That will go in the oven for like 30 to 40 minutes. So this is just 2 pieces. So I'm thinking 15 minutes will be enough, but in case I'll say 20. While the salmon is cooking, we already have some brown rice that Grace made in the morning, and we needed to use up our broccolini, so we decided to saute some broccolini in olive oil and garlic. When this is about half cooked, I'm gonna throw in some tomatoes too, because tomatoes are my favorite vegetable.
Oh, those broccoli look good.
Yeah. My favorite vegetables are tomatoes, and then I don't really know what comes after that. I just really like vegetables.
You like mushrooms?
I do like mushrooms. I like squash.
I don't like tomatoes. They're weird.
What do you like?
I like the green veggies. I love broccoli.
No, you used to say the
Brussels
only
sprouts.
vegetables I like is potatoes.
I know. I used to say I like corn and potatoes.
No, I feel like you say my favorite vegetables are French fries.
Or chicken. Chicken's a veggie.
Grace says chicken. Chicken is veggie. Like, she will not count chicken as meat for some reason. I think it's too lean for her. What is it?
I don't know. Chicken just doesn't taste as good as other meats.
So it's a vegetable?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's like at the level of veggie for me. I can give up chicken.
This is optional, but I'm gonna add some Sriracha. And some mostly everything but bagel seasoning. Oh my gosh. I think I could eat this every day.
I think I could too.
This is so good. I'm not even joking.
Yeah. I think salmon is one of my favorite meals.
Oh my gosh. This tastes like sushi on steroids.
It looks like the dragon sushi.
Oh my God. You guys have to try this.